girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Pedro Capó here, Lali, and this song is called Una Vez Más. I'm not sure about the pronunciation there. Great song anyway. We are going clean with this song, so no capo, except from Pedro Capó. Anyway, no capo here on the fretboard. So let's look at this song. We'll go over the chords. So we'll start here with this A sharp sus thing going on here. That will be a bar here on the first fret over 5 strings. So all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings there on the first fret, and the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. We're going with the next chord, still a bar here on the first fret. This is the F. Now you bar all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have D minor, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. And then the final chord will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have one chord progression for the verses and choruses, and then one for the pre-chorus. Alright, before we go into the chord progressions, we have the strumming pattern. So grab the first chord, that will be the A sharp chord always. So grab that one, and one strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. So down, and then a short break, and then up, clap, down. Down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds to get the feeling. It will sound like this. So let's look at the chord progressions now. We'll start with the verse and choruses. You will play 2 strumming rounds per chord, and you will play in this order: A sharp, then F, D minor, and C. So 2 rounds per chord like this. So that's the verse and chorus, and then we have just the pre-choruses left, and it's pretty similar. You just switch on the D minor and F where they land. So you go with the A sharp first, and then now you go to the D minor, and then F, and then C. So you just switch places on the F and D minor. So A sharp, then D minor, have the tools, guys, for this song. So good luck with this, and play tuned.